Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In my living room once again. This is day 3 of my living room declutter. Um, when I first started working on this living room, it just felt so overwhelming to me. I didn't think that I was going to be able to accomplish anything, but as you can see behind me, it doesn't look or feel as overwhelming to me anymore. It doesn't look or feel as intimidating anymore. And that's because I was able to go ahead and take care of my 2 mental blocks. I was able to go ahead and take care of my cube organizer, and I was able to take care of the mountain of bins that was in that little corner over there. Those were my 2 problem areas. Those were the areas that were blocking me and keeping me from feeling like I could get this done. So I went ahead and I took care of each of those areas, and I've already been able to declutter 2 totes and 2 boxes of stuff from this living room. So now all that's left is all the little areas and all the little stuff. I've still got stuff sitting around in the floor in here. And so today's decluttering is going to be kind of odd. I'm probably going to just kind of make a circle around the living room. I'm going to look for stuff that I can declutter. I'm going to try to find some homes for stuff that's sitting in the floor in here and try to finish getting this living room cleaned up. So this tote here has a bunch of my daughter's things in here. It's a lot of her pictures and things. So I think I'm going to take them out of here and put them with her special tote. Trash. Cords. It's the dog leash. That can go with the dog stuff. So I went ahead and went through this little bin here. A lot of it was my daughter's pictures. I was able to pull out this for trash, and I've got some extension cords I need to put up and a dog leash I need to put up. So, and that tote is going. This is just Christmas wrapping paper. It needs to go put up with the Christmas stuff. So these are some earbuds. I don't even know if they work. So I'm going to toss these, and this goes to the Wii. I'm going to put this with the game systems that I'm sending to my brother. I have a couple pair of 3D glasses. We only own like one 3D movie. I don't think we need these. So most people don't have physical copies of CDs or DVDs anymore. Almost everything is digital, and almost anything you want to watch or listen to can be found online now or streamed. But if you're the type of person that still enjoys physical copies, a good way to store them is to buy these little binders here. You can store your CDs and DVDs in here, and then you can declutter the cases that the CDs and DVDs came in. So this is like for Wii and Nintendo. I'm going to send those game systems to my brother, so I'm going to send this to him as well. And this is like a little plug and play Miss Pac-Man game. I'm going to send this to my brother as well. Put in the drawer. So I have some coat hangers sitting in this room, but they don't need to be in here. I'm saving them for now until I can get my husband's closet decluttered and my son's closet decluttered. So I think I'm going to go ahead and move these to my room so that they'll be there when I'm ready to do it. So this went from my kitchen table to on top of my cube organizer to on top of my pile of bins over here. I still have no idea whose it is, and I don't know whose belt this is. I'm going to have to wait and ask the boys tonight. So I've got some stuff sitting over here in this corner. I decluttered the spare bedroom, and I have some empty shelves in there on the bookcase. And I think some of this can actually be moved into there for now, just to get it out of the floor and out of this room. So this is just a box to a handheld vacuum. It's got a few attachments to it. I'm going to take these out and I'm going to get rid of this box. Towel needs to be put up. So today wasn't a huge decluttering day, but that's because I already took care of my 2 problem areas in this room. I was already able to get out the bulk of it. So today I just kind of went around and found some odds and ends, kind of as I was dusting off the furniture. And I think I've got the room pulled together a little bit better. This room still needs work. It's still not how I picture it, but it doesn't need to be perfect for now. It just needs to be better. And I think it's a whole lot better than what it was. So these are the items that will be decluttered today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy decluttering videos, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.